Have you heard the latest news about OnePlus? OnePlus has launched a budget smartphone called Nord CE 3 Lite with Snapdragon 695 chipset. Here's everything you need to know. Let's start with its availability. The OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite will be up for grabs in India starting April 11th. You can snag one for yourself from a range of platforms such as OnePlus.in, Amazon.in, OnePlus Experience stores and authorized stores. Now let's take a closer look at how it performs. You will be able to power through your day of non-stop fun with the Snapdragon 695 chipset on the Nord CE 3 Lite. Plus, it comes with Oxygen OS 13 based on Android 13. You will love the 200% ultra volume mode. The OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lites got a massive 6.72-inch LCD screen with a super sharp resolution of 2400 into 1080 pixels, and it refreshes at a speed of 120 Hz. You will get to enjoy crystal clear visuals and ultra smooth swiping on this giant 17.07cm display. Let's talk about the camera on the Nord CE 3 Lite. It's got a triple rear camera setup, including a whopping 108 megapixel primary camera, a 2 megapixel macro lens and a 2 megapixel depth camera. And for all your selfie and video call needs, there's a 16 megapixel front-facing camera too. On the storage front, the Nord CE 3 Lite gives you plenty of options when it comes to memory and storage. You can choose between different configurations that offer up to 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of internal storage. The Nord CE 3 Lite won't let you down when it comes to battery life. It's got a hefty 5000 mAh battery that supports 67 watts SUPERVOOC fast charging, meaning you can power up for a full day in just 30 minutes. OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite is available in two cool colors, pastel lime and chromatic grey. Plus, you get a Type-C port for charging and a 3.5mm headphone jack. And if you're looking for good quality earbuds, you should check out the OnePlus Nord 2 TWS earbuds. They have dual 12.4mm drivers and active noise cancellation up to 25 decibel. Now let's talk about the price. The OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite will be up for grabs at a starting price of 19,999 rupees for the 8GB plus 128GB model and 21,999 rupees for the 8GB plus 256GB variant. Are you looking for a smartphone upgrade? Well, it's time to consider the 5G variant of the OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite.